A seminar topic on biometric and fingerprint payment technology under the guidance of K. Suresh sir. These are the content of the project. Let us move on to the introduction. Biometric and fingerprint technology payment. Generally, we are using the biometric and fingerprint for the purpose of attendance or ATMs and other Aadhaar card, ration card, some other purpose. But we are implemented the biometric and fingerprint technology for the purpose of payment. Biometric is automated methods of recognizing a person based on a physiological or behavioral attribute. As the level of security batches and transmission field increases, the need for highly secure identification and the personal verification technology is becoming apparent. Objective. The objective is to implement fingerprint recognition algorithm. The ROI for each fingerprint image is extracted after announcing its quality. The specific objective of this research are to study importance fingerprint recognition in the current biometric authentication system and to determine the factors affecting the fingerprint recognition system and some others. Area of the project. Machine learning, simple put, is from artificial intelligence that allows computers to learn without any extra programming. Machine learning is able to take data and detect patterns and find solutions, then applying those solutions to other problems. And this is the methodology. This diagram shows how it works our project. Here we can see the biometric data collection. This is the first state and this is called as an input state. When we put the fingerprint on this biometric data collection, the signals are moved to the transmission, and after the transmission, single processing, future extraction, representation is the another state. In this state, what input signals are processed, then it's move on to the quality sufficient. The quality sufficient is the state. If the data is quality sufficient, yes or no process are done here. That quality is sufficient, move on to the generate templates. This generate templates means it allows the permission. If the template is matches, then it move on to the database. Otherwise, decision confidence. All biometric system works in 4 stages of process. They are capture, extraction, comparison, match or non-match. Types of biometric. Physiologically, they are face, fingerprint, hand geometric, retina, iris recognition, behavioral, signature and voice. Print recognition. Fingerprint looks at the patterns found on a fingerprint. Face recognition. Face recognition uses the visible physical structure of the face. Hand geometric. Hand geometric involves analyzing and measuring the shape of the hand. Voice authentication. Voice or speaker recognition uses vocal characters to identify individual using a phosphorus. The telephone or microphone can serve as a sensor. Signature verification. Signature identification is the analysis of the way user sign his or her name. Benefits to the society. ATM accessing with biometrics and access to official buildings and homes, access to medical and official records, and all those places when unique identity and high security is required. Future scope. increase security, eliminate problems caused by lost ID, and forgetting password, reduce password administration cost, and make it possible to know automatically who did what he did, when and where. Replace hard to remember password which may be shared or observed. Conclusion: the cardless payment system should be replaced and there must be more easier, reliable, secure, cash-free and tension-free payment system. Biometric payment system in which nobody have to take with dozen of cards for shopping, traveling, pass in office, bank as a door lock. References. These are the references. We can refer on year 2005 to 2009 and the recently 2016 we are referred. Thank you.